Alignment confirmed.
Transport to the pack. Scan on Section 4 complete.
Data looks nominal. Proceed to coupling check.
We need to verify the alignment on this connector block.
The automated scan confirmed it, but let's double check the tolerance.
Initiating the functional check. Monitoring the encryption module.
Status indicators are nominal. We have a confirmed pass.
Check the tolerances on integration point 9.
Confirmed. They're within spec for the guidance package.
Slow it down just a few millimeters to the left. Copy that. Coming left now.
The harness path is clear on the optical, no frayed shielding detected. Confirmed. Connector seating is secure. I am documenting the result. Fastening sequence complete. Green indicators are solid. Supports disengaged on my side. Clear for transport. Initiating crane sequence. Digital record is confirmed. Structure is within tolerance. Noted. We are clear for the next stage.
Inspection complete. Shroud 7 cleared for transport.
Confirmed. Moving to assembly fixture now. Alignment sequence initiated. Holding steady at Mark 3.
Alignment confirmed. You are clear for positioning.
All interfaces verified. Camera feed shows 0 anomalies.
Agreed. We can sign off on this section. Component scan complete. Data matches the manifest.
Verified. Ready for transfer to integration bay. Okay, the assembly is seated. Begin the locking sequence. Locking sequence initiated. All indicators are nominal. Torque sequence complete. All indicators green. Confirmed on the manifest. Final scan initiated. Torque confirmed on all ports. Parameters look good on the AR overlay. System check is green. Confirmed. Ready for inspection. Check the readings on the starboard side. Looks fully cured. We are clear for inspection. Surface integrity is nominal. We are clear for approval. Confirmed. Recording sign-off now. All parameters are well within the acceptable margin of error.
Agreed. Let's move this to the next inspection stage.
All required manufacturing records are complete.
Confirmed. The missile is approved.
Clear readings on the forward section. Gauge checks out. Logging the results now. Inspection complete. The asset is secure and ready for transport. The final inspection sequence is complete. We are cleared for transport to the packaging zone.
Confirmed. All indicators are green. Lower the gantry 5 centimeters.
Contact. Engaging fasteners now. We are secure.
Scan complete. All parameters match the manifest. Confirmed. Ready for dispatch. Platform is crossing the threshold. Secure the perimeter.
Scans complete. All green. Manifest confirmed. Secure the load and prep for transfer.
This video is created for educational purpose using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitor concepts, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or refuse any other creator's content. This video is informative only and does not present AI visuals as real footage.